Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play New Super Mario Bros. Wii Full Guide. Begin by syncing your Wii Remote or Classic controller to the console and confirming button layout and options. Insert the game disc gently, then press Start and pick a character. Set audio and screen preferences so you can hear cues clearly. If you plan co-op, check how extra players join with separate remotes. In this video, I will explain how to play New Super Mario Bros. Wii Full Guide. Learn core controls first. Press it to jump and hold B to run faster or throw items. Memorize power-up effects, such as Fire Flower for ranged attacks and Propeller Suit for vertical boosts. Practice combining a run plus jump to extend distance and access hidden blocks. Try moves in a safe area before tackling. In this video, I will explain how to play New Super Mario Bros. Wii Full Guide. Approach each level with patience and a plan. Peek at the start, note hazards, and spot vertical routes for secrets. Use power-up strategically to clear enemy clusters or reach high platforms. Collect star coins to open bonus stages and consider alternate exits for hidden worlds. When in co-op, communicate to share power-ups and cover each other during tricky jumps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.